we just do a Stairmaster a couple times.
Yeah. I'll create my own overlook. There's no freaking overlook. Look at this booba. Yeah.
We went off the trail.
Yeah, it's a state park. Create your own trail.
Yeah.
You want to go up there?
What, up through?
Yeah. Why not?
No, let's stay on the trail.
Why? Why you gotta be like that?
Because I just don't want to go somewhere that we're not supposed to be.
It's a state park. You can go anywhere you want.
I know, but like...
Trails are for rule followers.
What?
She doesn't want to go on a trail. What the heck? Or off the trail is what I mean. What is this? Looks like a throne. Look, King Julian! I found your throne! King Julian? It's just a feeling.
Huh?
It's just a feeling.
Just a feel?
Yeah. You're stronger than your feelings. Hurry up. You're right
I'm just trying not to fall, okay?
Crikey. It's a wild kite. I got you. Wow. They uprooted the trees. See, look. I'd be a shish kebab.
What did you say?
Said,
Shish kebab?
yeah. On that thing. On that thing. Oh, look at that. The evergreens. Bro, move yourself up. No, not that. Up, I say. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, hurry up. Before these other peoples. Come on, there's other boobas. Hurry up. Step it. Hot step it. Hurry up. Trying to be in the camera. Trying to be on point, on fleek. Go, mama. What? I don't know why I said that. What are you doing?
I want to be in the video.
The camera hog.
Here, so back this way then.
Ooh, strike her stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Strike it, girl. Pose it. Yes, girl.
In the sun?
Yeah.
Were you videoing me taking a picture?
Kind of. Not too much of a hike with you stopping like every 5 seconds.
Listen, I have to get all my possible options so I can see which one I like the best.
Uh-huh.
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's not pretty with the dead trees, but it'll do.
It's really nice. I like it. No swimming in the lake. Your mama's gonna swim.
No, swimming in the lake.
Sure about that? What if I throw you in? You can't swim. I like that there's no freaking geese here. I hate geese.
Aww,
They're so stupid.
they're just existing.
All they do is freaking crap everywhere, and then you have to watch where you step all the time. And they look stupid too.
They don't look stupid.
That's a duck. Quack, quack. Definitely a duck. Hey, you can't swim in there. Yo, buddy. Look. Look at them duckers. Quack, quack.